In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the yellow border in OBS. Now what you should do is you should find the one that you're using. I'm just going to use it on the second one because I'm recording on this one, but you should use the one that you mainly use. Right click and go to Properties. Try and change this to DXGI Desktop Duplication. Press OK and see if that fixes the issue after restarting your OBS. Now if this is not enough, another thing you can do is you can right click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, choose Graphic Settings, and in here we want to add OBS. So search for OBS, right click and go to File Location, do it once again, and you'll come to the OBS folder. Click up here and Control C, then come here and press Browse, click here Control V, press Enter, and add OBS. Now once you've added OBS Studio, what you want to do is press Options, choose High Performance, Save, and if you get a black screen error, this should fix it by doing this. If you still have the yellow border, even after doing this, just close down OBS, come back here and choose Power Saving, Save, and then rerun OBS, and that should fix it. So that is basically how it works. If you get the black screen, use this one, and if you're still having trouble with the yellow border, try Power Saving. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.